Hey cuties! Mwah! Welcome to episode 1 of Here We Go Again, this series where I try to follow online tutorials and see if I can actually do it and how easy it is for someone who's mediocre at best at hair. Here we go again! Hey everyone, I'm so excited for this new series I came up with. Here we go again, everyone. I really wanted to unleash a new series on my channel in 2026 and have it something that everyone is going to enjoy. And I was like, okay, I want to do more like hair things because I am not the greatest at hair. I want to get better at doing hair. I want to help find new things to do to my hair. And you guys always hear me say like, I'm not the greatest at hair. I suck at hair. And I usually just get stuck in crimped or a bun or a ponytail or just straight. Like I need some like creativity and some ideas. So that is the whole purpose of this series, and because I want something new and fun, exciting for this channel, something that you guys are gonna watch. Okay, so here's the rundown. I'm going to find a tutorial, or you guys are gonna send me tutorials that you guys want me to follow. They don't have to be super popular tutorials. They don't have to be super popular creators. It's just basically hairstyles that can look easy online, and then I want to see if somebody that's not that great at doing hair can actually follow. So it's all in good fun. If I can't follow it, it's gonna be user error. So that's why I'm like, here we go again. Like literally, here we go again. So today I'm going to be following this tutorial right here. This is from the creator Bailey Stewart on TikTok. She posted this back in late 2023. Her @ is Bailey M. Stewart. Now there's tons of tutorials on bubble braids, but she's the one that I found that was actually talking through and not just like a quick like, right? She actually did a talk through. So let's go ahead and follow hers. I'm going to credit and link her TikTok in the description box down below. So let's try to do some bubble braids. The only thing about this one is there is music in the background that's copyright, so I'm not gonna be playing her, but I'm gonna tell you guys what she said, and of course you guys can go watch her yourselves. So let's go. Okay, so her hair, as you guys can see, it's crimped or waved or something like that, and she has way longer hair than I do, so it's not gonna look the exact same, but we're gonna try. So she parted her hair. I already parted mine, I've straightened it. Okay, part it all the way down the middle, like throughout, and section it off. Let's do that. Okay, you know what? My rings, I thought they were tea for this video. Because I have to be sectioning off a lot, they're not gonna be tea. I'm gonna take these things off. I'm just gonna keep my engagement ring on for good luck. Okay, pull a money piece to the side. I like that because, I mean, all these are optional, but yeah, look at that. Cute. I think I put too much hair product in my hair when I washed it because it's looking greasy, but it's like hair product. Anyways, that's not the point. She's got some hair elastics. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest. Okay, she throws this to the side. This is not just gonna stay here, it's gonna be in my face. This actually looks cute. I'm just gonna clip it off to the side. Okay, she just with her fingers, she says takes a diagonal section just like this, and then ties it off like this way. I think I took too much, honestly. Maybe the money piece I took. There, I need to do this better. God, you guys, like, I'm terrible. That's why we're doing this. Okay, there, that looks a lot better for the money piece. Okay, so we're just gonna take, that looks better. So basically, we're just gonna put this in elastics. Now, I didn't previously try doing this tutorial or anything like that. I have enough, yeah, I have like 100 elastics in here. Okay, now I think this is too little. Oh, well, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna do it. Okay, like that. Success. Oh, okay, so then you take another diagonal section like this, and you tie it off into here. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little bigger. Okay, like this. Yes. Okay, I think that's what you just keep doing all the way back. Why am I so nervous? I feel like because I don't want to fail, but like the point of this is just to try. Okay, she said the space in between that is right here, and this is the bubble. This is already not looking good. So then you just pull this. This is like not tight at all. I'm redoing this bubble. They're easy to take out. Okay, so now we know that the middle is a bubble. I'm gonna take a bigger chunk of hair, I think. Or is that a bad idea? No, it's not a bad idea. Okay, so... Oh, I didn't even grab the other hair! There, I'm like, where's the bubble? There it is. Okay, so we're just gonna go like this. Okay, so that's the bubble. Okay, I see. Bigger the hair. Okay, so you wanna Go like that. Okay, so this right here, this section right here is the bubble. So let's see if we can make it. Ooh! I think that's cute. I think. Let's just keep, she just like keeps going, right? Okay, so just, yeah, she just continues down. So there's like no braiding involved. It's just basically finger motions. Also, my hair's thin for all my thin hair girlies, but I'm trying, and I do have roots. Sorry. I think that it would look really cute though if I did do crimped like that. I think if this does go well. Oh yeah, okay, there's room for the bubble. Oh my god. And she said you can make these as big or small as you want. Wait, that's kind of cute. Wait, that kind of eats. Where's my hair? There. This is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take another section right here. So what about the end? You just like keep doing it all on your, oh yeah, you just go all the way down here. Then should I go like, I'm gonna do one more. Can I do another one right here? And then I'm gonna start going down. Doesn't look too bubbly. Any tips also? Tips for the girls, for the boys, tips for us all. Here. There's the bubble. Okay, this is kind of, okay, this kind of is cute. Now I'm gonna start going down. So I'm just gonna go like this. Oh no. Oh well. Tips, get bigger, thicker hair. Maybe extensions? I don't know, but I feel like the extensions would be annoying to like, cause I have clip-ins. Okay, so that, and then here's the bubble. Pull it. We really want it like bubbly. Ooh! Okay, this looks cute. It does. It looks messy though. Okay, keep going here. How does she do the end? Okay, so this looks like my okay, that elastic snapped. Me right away. Just kidding. It's not difficult. I just feel like it doesn't look like it should. Basically, that's how I'm feeling. It just doesn't look really right. Okay, I'm just gonna do this one like this. And then we're gonna try to start doing the bubbles down below. The bubbles! Okay, that, and then here's the bubble. Ooh. Okay, that looks cute. And then for the ends, it's way more simple. Thank goodness. Well, it's simple over here. Like online. Let's see if we can do it. Here it is. And then, okay, I kind of love this. I need to work. I think it's like a, you know, even just like with braids or like with any kind of hairstyle, practice makes perfect, right? So I'll do one like, you can make them smaller, bigger. This is cute. Girl, so let me know if you guys like this series and if you guys want more, what else you want me to do, because I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this series and it'll give you guys ideas too. Hopefully, like even if I don't do it good, it might give you guys ideas for hair. Okay, this is what we have. I'm kind of impressed at the end, I should say. It all came together, like it's just, wait, I kind of ate. Okay, let's see the back. I don't know what the back is gonna look like. That's what it looks like. This is, I'm gonna be doing this again. I'm definitely, and it's easy. Here's a little close-up. So here's a close-up of what we did. Ah! Yes! Ah, I'm gonna do the other side. This is so cute. So this is pretty forgiving. You can be like messy with it, quote unquote. You know what I mean? Like it's not like you have to be, it's not like a sleek, precise look. Okay, so I think it's just all about getting it started, right? Okay, here's the first secure. We want this one pretty close to the head. There. And then when we take the next section, there, yes. We want it to be, again, close to the head. And do I want to match the amount of bubbles? No, I think I'm just going to work with, it's going to look good either way. Nobody's going to be counting the bubbles, right? Like, what is this? Playtime in the backyard? Like, nobody's counting bubbles. I'm not a dog. Okay, I gotta secure that. Push, or pull, not push. Pull the bubble. Okay, cute. And then, okay, I don't know why I was like so nervous at the starting of this. I'm like, because it's episode 1, I don't want to screw it up. But like the whole point of this is just trying tutorials to see if we can actually do it and get more creative with our hair. And if we're like, I don't know what to do with my hair, there's so many hair tutorials. Okay, let's pull. Oh God. I'm always like scared that I'm gonna screw up the bubble. I don't want to pop the bubble, you know what I mean? That's cute. Next section. Tie this off, pull it, and then pull the bubble. I'm getting the hang of it now. Okay, love. Now we're gonna do right here. Oh, it looks like it is matching up there. Let's secure it off. Done. Pull and pull the bubble. Yes! Last one. This is so cute. Secure. It's already making a bubble. I love that. Okay. Boom. Thank you so much to that girl. Like, girl, you made it look so easy and your instructions were amazing. I feel like the tutorial wasn't too long. It wasn't too short. Okay, now these I want to make even, right? I feel like this is when they have to be even. So I'm going to tie this off. Pull. Cute. This one I'm going to make more. Okay, next. Oh my god. Okay, next, secure. Pull. And one more. Am I a reaction channel now? I'm reacting to videos of other content creators. Okay, that's it. Now let's take the money pieces down. And what do we think? What do we think? I think episode 1 is a huge success. Oh my god, see, like this side versus this side, I think that once I got the hang of it, I feel like this side looks a lot better, in my opinion. Oh my god, this is so cute. But this side still looks cute. Just, I needed to like wait for it to all come together. But somebody that's not the greatest at hair and not that creative with coming up with things, this was super easy to follow. And I didn't think I could do it. I thought it was gonna be more of like a haha tutorial. You know, like laughing at me, I'm meaning. But I think it was pretty good. So cute, I can't believe I did this. I'm like, hey girl, hey. Success, everyone. So thank you guys so much for watching episode 1 of Here We Go Again, and thumbs up and comment down below what you guys want to see next for episode 2, and if you guys still want this series. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy with the hair, and I will talk to you guys all later. Mwah, bye.